All right, let's go ahead and let's work some problems. This one says write the equation of this line with the given slope and the y-intercept, then graph. So now I want you to get really used to every time you see write the equation of the line that you automatically start thinking that y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, because that is your equation for writing lines. Doesn't matter that they give you the y-intercept. It doesn't matter at all. What matters is that they gave you the slope and a point, and that's what you need to write the equation of a line. So by doing this, I'm going to go ahead and label my x1, y1 so that we have everything labeled out properly. So when I plug things in, this would be y minus, the y1 value here is 3, that's what we've designated, equals m, that's the slope here of 4, times x minus x1 is 0. So now when I clean this up, we have y minus 3 equals 4x, and then 4 times 0 is 0, so that's nothing. So this is what we have so far. Now, it's still not in the best form, so we need to add 3 to both sides to get rid of everything away from the y. So this would be y equals 4x plus 3. Now this is in slope-intercept form, which is generally how you're going to be writing your answers each time, either in standard form or in slope-intercept form. But this is our best form for graphing usually. So we can use that then to go ahead and draw in our graph. Remember that the number in front of the x, that's our slope. And if you'll remember, slope is a rise over a run. And then the 3 here, the number at the end, that's our y-intercept. So that tells us that we're going to go up 3 units on the y-axis, and that's going to be our very first point. Now to get to the next one, we move the slope. So 4 is technically 4 over 1. If you need to write that in so you can see a numerator and a denominator, that's quite all right. So this is telling us to rise 4 and run 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and run 1 unit. Just like that. Now in order to draw the line, we would just play connect the dots. And hopefully you're going to be able to use like a straight edge or something like that, which is a whole lot easier to try and actually draw that in. But what I want to point out and go back and look over here is when we wrote the equation of the line, we always started with point slope form, always. It turns into slope intercept when you solve for y. And the slope-intercept form is most usually the best form for graphing. Okay?